Children, you have doubt in this example number 1, right? So just see here how to construct this type of questions. Construct an angle ABC such that angle ABC equal to x plus y, or angle ABC equal to 2x plus y. First of all, understand this one first, okay? First of all, you do take a line segment with any measurement. Suppose I have taken 6 centimeter, okay, here. Then take a radius according to your convenience, okay. I have written here B and C, BC, AB, whatever you want to take, you can write. Now draw an arc, okay. First of all, draw a line segment BC of any suitable length. Then take B as a center. With B as a center, draw an arc of any suitable radius. With the same radius, draw an arc with the vertices of given angles as center. Let these are cut arms of the angle X. Suppose I have written, just take here one center, cut here, join this angle X, okay. Now another arc draw here, 6 centimeter, okay, with the same measure here radius, okay. Then draw an arc, now put here compass, cut here, join here, okay. Let Y this is, okay. Now one more line segment draw, 6 centimeter BC, okay. Then draw arc, measure first X, like this, measure X, draw an arc first, then measure X, cut here X, then measure Y, where it will cut here, little bit small radius take here, here cut. Now this point to this point join, okay. So this is the, from this point center B, cut DE equal to PQ BC. You can write here QP SR, okay. This is D, this is E, this is F. So D equal to PQ equal to X length and EF equal to SR equal to Y length. So angle ABC equal to X plus Y, this two, X plus Y, okay children. So like this you can do. In the same manner, angle ABC to X plus Y you can do. Now next construction is construction of bisector of a line segment. How you will draw a bisector of a line segment? Just this is very simple children. What you have to do, just draw a line segment BC. I have taken 6-7 centimeter, whatever, any suitable length you can take, B and C, okay. Now what you have to do, take B as a, just see here, put here compass, take B as a center and more than half take children, more than half is up to here, half is the midpoint, more than half you take up to here. Okay, now draw an arc up and down. Now take C as a center, draw another arc here and here. Where these 2 points cut, just put point here, midpoint, and then join the line segment. This is the bisector of the line segment. Isn't it easy, children? Easily you can draw. This one is very simple. Okay, so in the same manner, construction of perpendicular bisector of line. This is also known as perpendicular line because this is a 90 degree. In the same manner you can draw. Now next is construction of perpendicular to a line. Construction of a perpendicular to a line when a given point in it, a line at a given point in it, one given point given. In that case, how you will do, children? If any given point given, first of all you make a line segment, draw a line segment with suitable length. Okay, just see here, I have taken 6 centimeter again. Okay, B and C. Then take a given point, any point you can take as P. Suppose P I have taken here. Okay, so with P as a center, name it P. Here you have to construct the perpendicular to a line. Okay, at a given point in it. Point is P, suppose. So take a P as a center, draw an arc with a suitable radius, not so much small radius, not so much big, suitable with the suitable radius, draw arc like this. Okay, where these 2 arc cut, measure like this. This point you can name it C. C already I have taken, so I will write here D and E, this point and this point. Okay, so D and E take as a center, draw arc equal radii. Keep here, cut here. This like this you will measure the radius. Okay, then keep D as a center, cut arc here, and E as a center, another arc here. Where it will meet? Here. Now join here to here. This is a perpendicular to a given point to a line. This is 90 degree. Okay, children. So in this manner you can draw it. You can do 18A, B easily. One more perpendicular line you have to draw from an external point. If suppose external point given, take a line segment with suitable, suppose PQ I have taken. Okay, any outside external point I have taken here, A point. Now take A as a center and with the suitable radius, just see here, with the suitable radius draw an arc like this. Okay, where it cut, just draw another arc here, and this is the center, another arc here. Now join here to here. Now see here, this is a 90 degree also. So outside point also in an on point on the line segment. In this manner you can do it. 18B. Okay, now construction of a parallel lines. How you will do parallel line, how you will draw, it is also very simple. Just what you have to do, take a line segment. Okay, nothing you have to do, AB name it, and take any point Q here, draw an arc, Q as a center, draw an arc like this. Okay, now keep here and cut here. Now join here, this point to this point, join like this. Okay, now take another point here, P, draw another arc here. Okay, keep here compass and cut this side. okay, where it will cut this point to this point like this. Draw. So this line parallel to this point, you can erase it like this. It should be equal both from both side. Okay, later you can erase, no problem. AB, any CD you name it, CD. So AB parallel to CD, like this you can draw. Okay children, so AD in ABC, do it. It is very easy, simple. Okay.